Alright guys, this is my 99 Explorer XLT. I inherited this project from a guy I work with. He couldn't, all of a sudden one day the thing just stopped running and it just wouldn't start on. The mechanic I work thinks it's the PAT system. I just wanted to make sure before I bring it to the dealer and that it's not something else. I'll show you when I try to start it. Here. Alright, the theft light's like blinking now, but when I go to start it, here I'll give you a view of everything. Here's the key I'm using, remote. Try to start it, nothing happens, but the theft light goes out. Try to start it again, nothing. If I had the door open here, the interior light goes out when I turn the key, so I don't know if that means anything, but I'll show you again one more time. Trying to start, nothing from the anti-theft light, which is kind of why I'm confused here. Alright, let me try putting it in neutral because somebody said that. See if we can start it in neutral. Same deal, nothing. Alright, let me show you a couple things under the hood. It has a brand new battery. Battery was just replaced like 2 weeks ago. Bear with me here. Open this hood. There we go. Battery's pretty much brand new. All the connections on it are good. I checked the fuse and everything. All the fuses are good. So I'm kind of wondering if it's the starter because the anti-theft isn't flashing. Not really sure. Let me just try taking the key off the key ring here, see if that makes a difference. Alright, now I get the remote off the key ring. Try to start it now. Same thing, that theft light lights up, but then it goes out. Show you again. Keys out. See, you can see the theft light on, then it goes out. It's not flashing rapidly like a lot of people describe. That's why I'm not sure if that's the problem. Everything works though, the lights all work. The radio works. Like every single thing works, and you can tell it's not like bogged down on electric power or anything like that. So alright, I just want to take this quick video, see what you guys think. Alright, thanks again.